Good morning, everybody. Today is July 2nd of 2025, and we are day trading on our account again. See how this goes. Wait until market open, all the basics and stuff. Might even place a buy trade. Alright. Yeah, candle one marked out. Might as well put another on there. Till I see another. And then readjust these. It looks like it hit the middle of the VWAP and bounced off of it. See on the left hand side of the screen, VWAP over here. Oh, right here. Still seems to be bouncing off the VWAP. 1 minute off NASDAQ. Alright, we got all of our lines set up. Now we're waiting for a breakdown or a breakout. We go up to the higher time frame. Last night it bounced off of the 600. Didn't want to break it. That was a couple days ago. Still supported the 600. Thinking it's just going to go higher, so. Yeah. It might break down, actually. Support at the 600, and then support at basically the 500s. I think some more resistance at this 700, almost 800 level. And heavy resistance up at the 900s. If it closes with the VWAP, I'm pretty sure it's going to keep going and continuing up, and possibly a later reversal. Here we go. Couple seconds until the close. 10 seconds until it close. Then we are looking for a pullback of any sorts.
Order filled.
That's the pullback we're looking for.
Order filled.
Order filled.
We're going to take profit right there. We're going to let the actual account keep running. We'll take profit
Order
right there.
filled.
We're going to go ahead and look for another pullback, a more defined pullback. Or not. You gotta be patient here. I'm gonna
Order
go ahead and
filled.
short here. Or put a take profit right at the right there. I'm
Order
actually gonna get out of this
filled.
trade. I have a feeling it's gonna push way back up higher. Never want to trade against the trend, but looks like it's gonna basically sit and consolidate, honestly. Even push back higher. Here we go. Here's the pullback we're looking for. take a buy on both of these accounts. We're going to stick a buy through there. That side. Looking for another opportunity to buy.
Order filled.
Or take another beautiful buy right there. Closes below.
Order filled.
Then we're going to stick a take profit, as the 800 level. Might be a while until this one hits. Be worried if this breaks the VWAP or the SMA. Did not break below the VWAP yet. So we're looking good on that. We're going to go ahead and stick another take profit right here at the buy through.
Order filled.
And then we're going to take $18
Order filled.
on the other account. Did close below, so I'm going to take another buy in a second.
Order filled.
Then we're going to go ahead and stick the stop loss right below the VWAP. Ooh, that was rough. I'm going to stick the buy stop right here, right above. Go ahead and full screen this one. Did close below, so I have a feeling that we're going to keep continuing upwards. It's looking a bit choppy, so I might just go ahead and take profit really quickly. Still bouncing off the VWAP. I'm going to have a trust on the VWAP level. I'll move it up a little bit more.
Order filled.
Fine with that. Looks like it's just sitting here consolidating. And if we move to the other tab with the rest of these things open, we're going to see that it's bouncing out the VWAP. And I'm sure it's going to continue up to the 31 level. I just don't know. Looking for any other possible entries here. because it looks like it's just moving sideways. Now we might get some movement here, but other than that, maybe. Pull back a little bit. Oh shit. Pull back at all. We'll wait for the next candle to see where it moves from there. On this account, we're currently $30 in profit. I make a big assumption the next candle's gonna
Order
move down.
filled.
And there it goes.
Order filled.
Take the $21 on that account. There is a good look. Could be looking for another fair value gap on this one with this ending candle. So this giant box would be a fair value gap. I don't know where the box is. If this closes green, we do have a fair value gap here. Price usually always, it does. So this entire box is going to be a fair value gap. Specifically right here. So we're looking for a pullback of any sorts into this fair value gap area. Or even a pullback to the SMA. Here we go. Here's a deeper pullback. Looking for a bit more in-depth pullback. Just barely grazed the top of the fair value gap. Might just continue upwards from there. We're gonna take another buy here. Looks like it's just sitting here consolidating. Still a fair value gap. And it looks like at the 2770s we have a excuse me, our next support and resistance area.
Order filled.
And we're going to take at the 70s. We're going to stick our fucking take profit. And just in case, we're going to stick our little stop loss right here. Did break the fair value gap. Did not push much further in between it. 70s, this does look like we have a good support level.
Order filled.
We'll take profit right there. I'm going to go ahead and take another long on this
Order
account.
filled.
Then I'm going to stick it at the 70s. And stick our buy stop, or sorry, our loss right. This one might be a loss, actually. We're going to stick our loss right below.
Order rejected.
Oops. Sell stop's going right there, right below the other one. 70s is still going to be our take profit area. No news coming out today. Actually looks choppy. I think I'm just going to take my break even, honestly. If we get any closer to the breaking even, it's a little bit of profit.
Order filled.
It's a bit of a loop anyway. It did hit this fair value gap area, but I'm sure it's going to return back down and at least tap this one more time before it pushes back up. This is what happened last time. I'm going to go ahead and short on this account.
Order filled.
I'm going to short until we hit. Actually, I'm thinking we go right back down here. Excuse me. Right back down there. We're going to go ahead and stick stop right at the 35s. I'm sure if it continues up, then.
Order rejected.
Fucking. Do a buy 3 stop right here. Because even if it continues up, you can see that it gets stuck at the very top right here. Slightly up, then it's pushing all the way back down. Now we're looking for a pullback. Maybe I'll even stick it at the 70s of 670 of the last level. $670 is the middle of the VWAP. There we go. We're in profit. Might bounce off the SMA.
Order filled.
It's fine. So we did hit a daily profit on our IRL account. And unless we see another setup later in the day, I'm also going to take my profit on this account too. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the trading. I was trading on both my funded account and my regular account. But you guys do enjoy the rest of your evening. Have a good day and subscribe. Bye.